So, good morning, everyone. Hope you did sleep well, or if you're just waking up, hope it's a good day. And today, let's see what market bring us. Maybe there will be some trade on US 30 because we have like from Asian session we have a big range, so that's great. I like when we have something like that, medium range. Not like big one or small one, just medium. So let's just sit and watch and see if anybody has some questions. Feel free to ask. So right now we have some upside push on GBPUSD and EURUSD. As I can see, I have 3 viewers. That's great. If you have any questions, feel free to ask them. Don't hesitate. Like, if you hesitate, you will never know about trading. Even if it's stupid question, I will be answering them. So just to let you know, you need to ask stupid questions to learn more about it. Give a like if you can, share if you can, or give a comment. It will help boost my visibility on YouTube. So thank you all. So as we are waiting, I'll just do a little explanation about my community. So basically, first we have the trades community. Oh, just a second. You get access to Discord. Right now, I I think there is only course. Just a second. Yeah, about the trade signals. So that's the other two. But anyway, oh, sorry. So moving on, basically you get free community as user use it, and you can leave suggestions if you have any. You can follow me on my social medias, send me some messages or something, and you can join for free. Basically, you can connect with other people, track my students' profits, see how we are doing, see if you fit in this community. Is it fit? I mean, when I say see if you fit, this means if you are gonna learn something, or give some questions so we can answer to you, and so many more. If you find value, join, and you get the trade trading journal for free, so you can use it inside my Discord is a link. You will see the trading journal channel, so you can use it there, the trades trading journal. So basically this is it for the trades community. You can join for free. And then we got second one, it's the trades signals. So this is basically, you as you can see, you get trading journal, course, signals with 70% rate, 1 to 2 live trading sessions, so maybe even more because I'm just doing randomly live sessions. So I would likely do more on signals, personal guides. So you can basically tag me and I will be answering your questions inside of Discord, and you get Discord community, and all this for just $30. Just a second. Yeah, so all this for $30 a month. It's basically real-time forex signals, diversified trading pairs. Risk is always adjusted signals. You will see why. For people who want to, who don't want or have time to learn fully forex, so you can just copy me. But to be copy, so you, to be copying me, the best thing you can do is take this course, which I made especially for risk management, for copy trading, because you got everything that we'll be using. So terminology, you have from A to Z your trading view, forex factory, and MetaTrader 5, which is great. And this is explanation how to use apps about trading. Then we got risk management, which is A from Z, and then you got risk management for like that I use for smaller accounts and will be using in the future. You will see in the challenges, and all this you need to combine together to copy trade me easily, and you don't have to fear anything. And what you get more, it's basically for newbies, like you can just learn in 2 days about it all, just need to stick to it. So that's it basically. Here are some questions that people ask me usually. That's it. You can join, even you can use code ICT. So ICT, it's a code for 20% down, so feel free to use it. And let's move to the third one. So third one is the trades VIP. Here it's fully access, basically 24/7 to me for example, we will have weekend recap. I usually had with my students on Sunday at night. We had weekend recap before market, so just to see what we can bring us, like to see every trade, talk about it, and just answering some questions. You will get again trading journal. You will again get Discord community, which is upgraded. You will have support like directly from me, and you, in this particular way, VIP members can tag me and ask anything. One-on-one mentoring. One-on-one mentoring is gonna be like, if you need anything, you just book a call or just ask me, hey, can we have a one-on-one? I will just make time for you, because I'm trying to do this trading community the right way and to be in a long-term game as trading community. You will get full course. You will see the full course and what you get inside. And last one, you will take signals as if you want to use them. Basically, everything here you will get. You have here help desk, so if you have technical issues, trading queries, account help, or one-on-one mentoring, you can just book this and I will know, and we can like learn. Usually when it's one-on-one, I like to do in a Discord on stage or something, because then I know, like for example, if you have one question about broker, okay, maybe you're not the only one, so I like to do live on stage, so people who are in Discord and who join, they know too about what is happening, so maybe they will get answer too, and we can work things out faster way. You can send me a message or anything and get access, and you can use even affiliate link if you want to make money, and just add to my affiliate dashboard, and then you basically can reward yourself with 50% off, or you can just give to other people so they will join and you will get 50% from that. Like I said, this is not for me to make money or anything. This is for me just to make the best trading community there is. So if you have any questions, feel free to ask in a live chat, or if you have any questions, you can message me. So that's it basically. When is the video gonna come out about broker? So about broker, this one is my broker, FP Markets. It's gonna come out this week, because I will do like whole thing, how to make account, how to deposit in account, and so on. Just because from Monday I will be doing a challenge, 500 to 100k. It's gonna take a lot of days to make this. I mean, not video, the challenge is gonna take like long. So basically that's when I will post about broker. So expect in Sunday or in Monday, something like that. So, as nobody does have a question, I'll just provide something stupid, like, for example, I'll just show you what you get in a course, just so you guys can see. For example, let's go to MetaTrader. You will get every explanation about it. So everything you need to know, how to copy trades. Then we can go on Forex Factory, and basically you will get everything explained here. Introduction to Forex trading, so everything possible introduction there is. I'm just going through it so you can just see what is inside. For example, which pairs are major, which are not. You will get candlestick pattern, risk management from A to Z, risk management for small accounts, video strategies, IFG, here is strategies too. So everything, ICT trading elements, so everything is, and yeah, bonus 2017 ICT, everything explained inside of. So everything that you use everything to finish, and after that this is the lection you need to know. So this is basically what this is about. So here in this one you will learn most of everything, but you will not learn if you just go and read through it. You will need to sit and learn about it. But anyway, you have every possible strategy explained, and you can use it too. So, and this is video of one of my strategy, so you guys can watch. I will need to remake it because I didn't have a mic in that day. So basically, this is all about it. So moving on, we have some movements, but not major. Let's go to Forex Factory. Yeah, around 2:30 we have average hourly earnings and non-farm employment change. That's not good. Don't like it. I'm just waiting for the next week, like that will be like funny to make, and everything will be documented on Instagram. So yeah, we'll see if maybe US 30 give us some sign. Who knows? Maybe we will get it. Oh, so what do you guys do in the morning? First thing in the morning, you drink coffee, or you eat, or you do nothing. You stay in the bed. today it's gonna be a little bit slow day because it's Friday and it's last day of the week, so that I think I will be using Fridays mostly for answering questions, or I don't know, something else. I don't know even what to do because as you guys can see there is nothing to be done here on these charts. Maybe if somebody is doing like silver bullet strategy AM, but yeah, for example, let's see, you go for one like last swing, or how you wanna call it, here on US 30. So you will just mark this swing and this swing before 2 AM, so basically this one, and you will get, so let's see, so for example we have it here down, we push up but we didn't come back, so you need to come back and you aim for another one. Let's see if we got here something. No, here same thing, here same thing. Yeah, it's pushing hard, so I mean it's not fucked up to trade, but nobody like it because after hours, for example, as you can see here at 2:30 you will have a news, but and at 4, so this is gonna be like, we call it full port Friday. I mean, no, like me, I don't do that, but usually traders do full port. For example, if you had a bad week or something and it was a small account, for example $200, and you go full port, so you invest the whole $200, so just you can like use more and more. Oh, you can just gamble it away, but I don't like that, so I'm just waiting for my setup like as usually. But as I can see, today is kind of screaming no. But anyway, for a whole week I'm in a plus, so basically I'll just show you training journal. So just a second. So right now, as you can see, here is a setup, I mean not setup, the trading journal that I placed. Here is everything. So basically that's it. We only traded this week GBPUSD, which is disgusting, but yeah, we will see what happens next. Anyway, for now we are down, so 2050, 2500, and but that's like 0.5 to me, and we managed to get everything trading psychology. So we will see what next week bring us, but I will be doing the challenge 500 to 100k. 500 to 100k. That's gonna be pretty hard, and not gonna lie, maybe I can fail few times, I mean 1 to 2, but I'm gonna stick to that trading plan. because it's hard to start small and risking more. It's kind of, how to say, kill your mentality, but it's good for trading. For example, I have been trading on the big accounts, as you can see through my trading journal, and that's like easy to do. Not easy, but simple. And then you got, for example, when you get started with 500, and with 500 you can, for example, I will do like this. I will just describe you like this. I will open Paint. So here, first, let's go like this. Let's go pencil. So first, let's say you have 200. Give me something better to write. So you have 200k, and let's say you risk, for example, you risk I don't know how much. Let's say let's say 10k. So per trade you risk 10k. This is like, basically, I mean, it's too much to risk. So you would likely want to risk around, it's about 3%, I think, or 4%. 4k, it's 1%. So no, 2k is 1%. So 4k is 2, 6, 3, 4. 4 is 4. So this is 5%. And what you want to do with this one is, basically, if you risk 5% on account, you will not feel anything on 200k, but I stay at 5 on over the 200k. I stay on 5 because 5 is enough, but eventually we'll go in bigger risk. So let's move on. So what my plan is, for example, if you start with 100, I want you to risk only $10. So only $10. If you start with 200, only risk. So no, I will just do it like this so you understand more, because, just a second, like this. So for example, so 100 to 200, till 200 you will risk only $10. So after you come to this 200 or 200 more, you will risk from 200 to 300, you will risk $20. Boom. After that, you have 300 to 400. You will risk $30. And then from 400 to 500, you will risk $40. And from 500, what the fuck I'm doing? Just a second. It's so hard to write here. Just a second. Oh my god. So 500 to 1k. So 500 to 1k, you will be risking only $50. When I say risking, it means that from 500 till 1k you'll be only risking 550. So let's go from the beginning. So you have 100 to 200. You will be risking only 10%, basically 10% from everything. So if you are on 199, you will still risk only 10%. Don't go over it or something like that. If you're on 201, then you move to $20. But if you lose, you are still on $10 risk. So if you are 201, you will be risking $20. If you are in middle of these two numbers, you will be risking $20. If you are bigger than this number, you will be risking $30. If you are between, again $30. If you are over, you are gonna risk $40. If you are in the middle, you are gonna risk $40. After 500, you will be risking $50. And then after 1k, you will be risking $100. And after 2k, you're gonna risk $200. And after 3k, you'll be risking $300. So basically, this is the whole risk management strategy that I have been using, and I have been doing that. Like, I think this summer I was starting to do 500 to 100k, but I stopped because I don't know, it was not planned or anything, and I had bigger things to do, pay, etc. So it was not that good, and I would do it bad, so it wasn't helpful. But eventually I managed to go from 500 to 27k or 26 or 27k. So basically I did pretty good in just couple of months. I was trading like morning session, London session, and trading New York session, both New York both sessions. But right now I cannot do both because I have some other plans to do. So after trading, I usually have some things at home to do or make a video and something else. But eventually, I will be doing morning, and I will be doing morning and sorry. So London session and New York session eventually, so I can just build up my profits, and that's basically it. So that's how I usually that's how I usually have risk management for smaller accounts. But if you want to start with big one, I would not recommend. I would rather recommend you to go with a smaller one. If you can ask any questions, Andrew. So here is the Andrea who said he's gonna put, I think, 7k, and I said no, just put 1k and try to make money with it. Like, don't rush the process, just try to make with 1k. If you cannot make money with 1k, then you don't need the 7k either. So but you just need to learn the most important thing about live trading or live with real money. It's basically that it is like more psychology than strategy itself, because once you place that trade, everything goes like up and down, and you're a little bit stressful in the beginning, but eventually you just build up your emotions and you can do better things. So for example, on the bigger time frame, you can see that here we have some kind of pushing down because we want to take this liquidity, and that's why it's pushing down. Why I'm saying that? So first we got ourselves here, or if you want to put it here, how you want it. We got market structure shift on bigger time frames because here are equal highs, and then we broke down this market structure shift. I'll just add after that we had break of structure, it's boss moving down, and then we pull back and just right now moving down to this line. You can expect from it here to go down and just push up, depends on how you trade, but eventually I will be looking for a trade because this one looks juicy. Oh, sorry. So the biggest problem for it's kind of double sworded example. Right now I just want the weekend to start so I can rest my head from it. And second one, I can't wait for a Monday to start trading. So if you want to be a trader, just be realistic and see how this is working on, because it's usually like that. You wait for a weekend, but usually I wait for Monday more than for weekend, because I don't like weekends. Yes, so in this concept, always MSS is always on last low or last high low or lower high, because it's reversal. It's a reversal strategy, or MSS is only using for reversals. And for example, here, this is, so we have it here, blah, blah, blah. So we go up, this is our high, then we go down, this is our lower low. We are starting from him, so I'm saying like this. Then we have lower high, then we have lower low, then we have lower high, then we have lower low, then we have lower high, and then we have lower low. And this is market structure shift, so this line here. So basically this is line here, and you get, for example, here market structure shift. This is gray displacement. You could use this one, but we didn't tap the here the Asian low, so I would not recommend to go in this trade. But I saw this, I was thinking, but it's not in my trading plan. So eventually, as you can see, we have market structure shifts here, we have market structure shift here, we have market structure shift here, for example, on this turning point, because we see that we are going down. You can use something like this, for example, but some people use it like when trend is going down, they just continue going down. For example, here we go down, then up, and we broke the last low, so we made market structure shift to the downside and we close under. Then we again go low, go up, and again go down, broke the last low, and here we have fair value gap, for example, and then you place your trade something like this. So on the fair value gap, on the last third candle, and you aim for 2 RR. So this is something like some people do, but I don't. If you want to use that, go find that example of strategy, but I do not like that. I only like reversal points, so it suits me more better than the rest. So just to be honest, with this kind of trading, like here on live examples, for example, Sesko, Andrea, or yesterday was some guy freshman, or I don't know who. For example, they come to my live and you make trading, like live trading, live trade. The problem with this is it's kind of unusual, because I have feeling uh, about, for example, I lost a trade and you took the same trade and you lost it all because you don't know the risk management. Why am I not explaining but saying that? It's because when you have a signal let's say signals group, and you want to provide signals for other people so they can copy and make money. The problem is they don't understand risk management, and you do. And I make, for example, minus, I don't know, 5-6%. For them it's gonna be the whole account. For me it's gonna be just piece of account, and I have the rest to work with. But the problem is they don't. So it's kind of a double sword, because I want to help them, but they don't understand risk management and they can blame you for it. So no, I would not say feelings got attached to trading. If I lose. I'm just saying that, like, it's kind of awkward to give people live trading sessions, like live trading signals, let's say like that, live trading signals, because you don't know if they know risk management or they don't, and if they use your, or if they will use your strategy or your trade to go with it. So it's kind of hard to, how to say, trade like this, because in first place I don't want to lose money, in second place I don't want you to lose money, and in third place, like, what what do I do in this kind of scenario? Kiko, what's up? Yeah, your favorite trader. I mean, it's kind of shit today, so I'm not gonna lie, it's Friday. So it is what it is. So just to let you guys know, Kiko will be moderator in our Discord community. So be careful what you say about him. He's the beast, the goat. So what's wrong with Fridays? So with Fridays is basically wrong everything because as you can see there is basically non-farm employment change, and you have like basically Friday uh, the last, how you call it, it's basically the last day of trading week, so people usually just go slower and prepare more for Monday or Tuesday, and yeah, that's it. So I'm really not expecting anything, but for this week it's like just a little, yeah, sorry, just a little like drawdown minus 0.5, so it's all good. I don't have anything to worry about. You're on your lunch break or what? No, I'm not saying it's not worth it, but I think you should just like, for example, here you can see that London is slower, so it's just a slower day. And usually, how does it? And usually, first, the reason why it's slow it's because Tuesday. So you have Monday to Friday, and Monday it's like, how to say, it's more like slower to build things up, and then you have Tuesday, which it's a little bit stronger and faster. Then you have Wednesday and Thursday. Wednesday and Thursday are like the main, maybe even more Thursday. It's like more volatile and have better volatility inside of market. So there is a lot of movements during Thursday and Wednesday, but here you will see just a little bit movement because Tuesday there was no uh, there was no news or anything, so that's why it's slower than usual. Yeah, third time continuing to eat, people constantly needing. Welcome to the 9 to 5. I'm not judging, but I tried it. It's such a disaster. I say I will go to lunch break and I sit somewhere in the corner, and just like 1 minute you are going to bite some sandwich, and somebody just come and say, hey, do you know where I can find something or help me do something? And I was like, bitch, I'm eating. But they don't care about that. I think usually with jobs there is like there is a lot of disrespect. Like you don't respect my time or something like that, and that's why I hate like 9 to 5s. I mean, I'm not judging people because if no, like I'm not saying that 9 to 5 is bad, but there must be like more respect about it. For example, if I'm working for you in your firm and you don't give me like 30 minutes to eat something or have just a break, like that's disrespect. But as a trader, I can say that I honestly tried like everything. I know to code and work in like for mobile apps, and I was working as a programmer in some firm, and the problem is that I don't know, it's kind of ugly to work when you don't like. I made one app in one, like not one day but in few days, and they didn't even give me like, how to say, a raise. I'm not saying you need to give me a raise, like just some little bonus, like 50 euros or 100 euro. It's enough, like just so I can feel appreciated. But that's like none of my business. And first of all, it was like bad paying. For example, I got for 3 months. So first of all, I was working like this. I was uh, first job was working administration inside of one firm who are finding jobs and have how to say, and have I was like working in administration for finding jobs, and I was working on web. So basically, uh, customization around website or something like that. And after that, I after that so that was from 8 to 4. After 4, I was working in another firm. It was like software hospitality, and I worked in that firm so I can make more money. That's first, and second, to just go and manage like softwares. Basically, if somebody needs to place a PC with a software to sell, I go there and place it. So basically that. And the problem is, in 3 months for doing that software placement every day, I got for 3 months I got 1,000 euros, and for 3 months that I worked on that shitty jobs first administration, I got one, like for 3 months I got 1,800k. So 1,700, yeah, 1,700k, yeah. So that's how shitty it is. And then I know, but I was giving all of my, so when I go to job or speak about someone to work for or anything, I go full mode, just grind. And well, my dad said basically, if you give more, just don't let them know that you know more, because when you let them know that you know everything, they will just use you like immediately, and you will work there for minimalistic pay. So don't let, just be stupid in the first place. Later on you will just show when you get more money. So basically that's how it goes. So I like that I tried 9 to 5, how they say 9 to 5, but the reason why I like, because right now it's my, like in my mind, it's back to my mentality to never go back onto that kind of jobs, and it's grind to work for myself on trading. That's it. I can't wait to quit my jobs and start trading hard in trading. I will be unstoppable. Yeah, first of all, don't quit. But as I gave you to learn much more, and I have more for you, so just don't quit yet. But eventually, yeah, I would like that, because I'm trying to manage some trading team, to make some trading team, so I have bigger trading community. For example, right now I'm basically working from 8 in the morning till this live don't end. I will go just eat and come back at this PC and work on TikTok, YouTube shorts, or videos eventually, like just working whole day, and later on just go train. After that, shower, read a book little bit, and then just go sleep and back and forth. So it's kind of stressful and it takes too much of my time, but it is what it is. Like, you need to grind till I don't make a great team that can run everything smoothly. But for now, I will be looking for someone to hire to see how it's going. But Kiko, you're the first in the first place about moderator, because you know everything about Discord and you understand how it's working. So that's great. But right now I'm offering affiliate marketing for people who want to like promote me. They get 50% from people who come to me, and that's it. So you can do it by yourself. So as I can see, we kind of have a trade here on US30. I will be placing on order block, but first I will need to wait for US30 to close. $3.5 trade. We'll see now. Even though euro is like more juicy for me because we have we need to get liquidity sweep on 4 hour. As you can see, we took this high, and right now I'm just looking to go down more, but we'll watch this one, this big boy. Dun, dun, dun. Dun, dun, dun. Mm-hmm. Dun, dun, dun. Oh my god, my back hurts. I was doing yesterday. So we will enter at OB. No, we will enter at, I don't know. Yeah, yeah, that's true. We will enter on OB. I'm just joking. Oh my god. It's gonna be OB, but right now I just want to see. So we made market structure shift, as you can see, but I want to make more of, how to say, more of a push up to get to that OB, but we'll see. Maybe even more, place it at this price, so it can be just 3 RR. I will not be greedy, but I think I will be staying at this trade, so I will just send it in my Discord. So with order blocks, and especially US30 order blocks, you want to be careful and want to place, you don't just do like some people do here, place, because I will just show you now. For example, as you can see, let's go to, so for example this one, let's call it, yeah, basically we can call it order block. As you can see on this order block, just one order block that I found, you can see that here is a wick pushed up, which basically rejected, but first they leave a wick above order block and then move down. So that's why I don't put like order block, I mean stop loss here, because I will just put an last low and be secured, and if touched, if not, all good. Do we have next week too? So while we wait this one, I will just go and leave my plate and coffee away in the kitchen. Oh, and maybe go to toilet to shit myself. I will see. See you later. So right now I am on detox, as I said in previous live, and it's funny because like no sugar, nothing, and with this black coffee, it always like I need to go to toilet to shit myself in the morning. Like how hard is this fucking coffee? Like it's disgusting. I hate it, but it's detox day, so detox month, so I don't care. Did you hear what's happening with LA? Los Angeles was some Los Angeles fire and everything is disgusting. So 10 dead, more than 9,000 homes destroyed. Damn. And some not drone footage, but some camera capture, like some plane or something flying over and destroying something, like disgusting. I like the way I see this because it's coming, like it's going up but not strong as it needs, strong as usually, which implicates that you will eventually go down. But right now I'm just waiting for OB to be hit and to take the rest to downside. When it hits, like when it go to this and go down, I will be stepping at break even here, but it must be closed under this line, break even point. So when it goes down, it needs to be closed. So let's see what next brings. If you have any questions about this trade, you can ask them freely. I will explain if you don't understand something. I don't think there will be any more because we are breaking down to market structure shift, bearish market structure shift again. So basically maybe we could enter before on this fair value gap, on 50% of fair value gap, but it would be 2RR, but no, I was not sure about that. Anyway, I will be waiting. So this cannot be closed under this line. When it broke the, if it broke this line, then I'm out. I'm not trading this setup because then it's going down. It can reverse. For now, if it comes back and tap into our order block and just move down, it's okay. It's good setup. But if not, we will see. I think I will close the live trading session because, to be honest, I don't see any potential in going up. Maybe little potential to go up, but still we have at basically here till here. Maybe I will say few more minutes, and I mean 10-15 minutes I will stay and then wait for setup to be done. kind of just consolidating, waiting for a price to go up and break, but I can see it's not gonna happen anytime soon. Right now, Nas doesn't got nothing. Like, you can immediately see which one will give you setup or not, but I will just not enter in this trade, just to let everyone inside Discord to know. So basically, that's it for the live trading today. I will just quit, and I will send on Sunday I will send my YouTube video about broker account. I will make it today or maybe tomorrow and move on with it. So you guys can expect at Sunday to watch YouTube video. If you want to start, you will not start on Monday, but eventually if you want to start trade with me for $500 challenge, and we can start together. So that's it for today, for this week. Basically, we had a great week. It's a little bit in drawdown, 0.5, but it's all good. It's nothing too much or serious that it's so bad. So yeah, see you at Monday and have fun. If you want, you can join my Discord. It's in my description. Discord is totally free, except if you want to buy course and VIP access. But anyway, Discord is free. You can use it for free. I will be answering questions if you have any, and just let's have a fun. Thank you for watching, and see you on Monday.